On today's video, I bring you the grilled ham and cheese deluxe. Here we go. We're gonna need ciabatta bread, lettuce, tomato, butter, mayonnaise, 2 eggs, 4 slices of ham, 3 slices of mozzarella cheese. We're going to cut the bread and open it. And we're going to spread mayonnaise on both parts of the bread. Now we're going to put the lettuce on top. And we're going to slice the tomato. You don't need to slice the whole tomato, you only need a few slices. Place the tomato slices on top of the lettuce. It's time to fry the eggs, and it's time to smash the like button and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of butter on the pan. I'm gonna crack those eggs. Put a pinch of salt. I'm going to flip those eggs because we want them to be cooked on both sides. Okay, now we're going to put those eggs on top of the tomatoes. And we're going to grill the ham. Okay, now we're going to flip the ham, make sure they cook on both sides. And we're going to place the mozzarella on top of the ham and let them melt. Now we're going to place the ham and cheese on top of the eggs. If you like black pepper, you can put a little bit of black pepper on top. And the biggest challenge now is to fold that sandwich. Yes, have to be very careful. I did it! That's it. It's a really tasty sandwich. If you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.